Alright, so you painted your walls and you need to paint your baseboard. You should have done it before you put the baseboard on, but you didn't. So you need to paint it, and these rolls of tape are quite expensive. You got to use a lot of it. You tape up the bottom of the floor so you don't get paint on your floor. A better option, grab some old newspaper or some ads that come in the mail, and usually 99% of the time you're going to have a gap up under there. If you just have baseboard, and you can slide that newspaper right up under there, and then you can take your brush with your paint and do it as quick as you want and not have to worry about it hitting the floor. All right, I'm all ready for painting baseboard. If you have any spots where you can't slide under the paper, just put some tape there. All right, so that's how you get it perfect with no paint on the floor. All right, so that's the best method. A lot better than using tape. Sometimes the tape, the paint can creep under it. This method is really good.